based on the chapter 7 from the window. Now kids, as I've told you earlier in my previous video that chapter 6, chapter 7 and chapter 8 belongs to Omana's journey. Means in these three chapters we will read about Omana's journey from Gujarat to Kerala. Now kids, those who have seen my previous video, they are well known that Omana has started her journey from Gujarat. Yes kids. And where she was going? She was going Kerala. So Omana has started her journey from Gujarat and she was going to Kerala. This is a quick review of our previous video. Now kids, we have learned a lot of things in our previous video, so we can't revise all again. Those students who have not watched my previous video, please go through first of all my previous video, means chapter 6 Omana's journey. Then only kids you will understand chapter 7, because chapter 7 is the second part of chapter 6. So kids, let's start our today's chapter from the window. Now kids, in my last video, but I have told you we have ended our chapter at night. Yes, Omana was going to brush her teeth and finally she didn't get the water. And someone told her that the water has emptied and it will be filled up in the next station. So kids, let's start our journey now. Now kids, at night all slept. Omana, her family, all the people who are in the other berths and the family of two kids, Sunil and Ann, they also slept. Now finally Omana woke up next day. Now next day is your 17th May. See kids, Omana has started her journey on 16th May and now today it is 17th May. So one day has passed. Now in the morning at 7:30 a.m. Yes kids, at 7:30 a.m. in the morning Omana woke up. Now kids, last night when Omana went to sleep, that time it was quite dark and she was not able to see many of the places and the scenes outside the window. Now when she woke up early in the morning, that time she found that she was in Madgaon platform. Now Madgaon beta is a place. See kids, in the map you can see the Madgaon station, and where this station is? This Madgaon place is in Goa. Now kids, before continuing our chapter, we will go to Omana's journey again. See kids, as I have shown you, there is Gujarat and the down is Kerala. Now kids, please see clearly that from Gujarat to Kerala, how many states you have to cover. Just go through the map kids. Yes, very nice. After Gujarat, see on the coastline. First of all the state is Maharashtra. You can go through here. The first state is Maharashtra. Then the second state is Goa. And the third state is Karnataka. So kids, from Gujarat to Kerala, Omana has to pass three states. That is Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. And finally, she will reach to Kerala. As you can see, the three states which she has to pass is Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. Now, at this time, on 17th May, in the morning at 7:30 a.m. in the morning when Omana woke up. Last time we have read about she was in Valsad station in Gujarat. Now on 17th May at 7:30 a.m. when she woke up, she found herself in Madgaon. Now you can see kids in the picture Madgaon. Now Madgaon is a place in Goa. Yes. So now she is in Goa. Now which state she has to pass now? Karnataka and finally Kerala. So this time she was in Goa in the morning, and now she recognizes the platform of Madgaon, and when she asked her father, father means Appa, Appa told her that they were crossing Goa state. Now kids, as I have told you that at Madgaon, which is in Goa, at Madgaon platform, Omana's train stopped for a while, and at that station Omana's father means her family got some hot tea to drink and some water bottles they filled up so that they can use it for journey. Now finally the train started again. Now from where the train started? The train started from Madgaon platform, which is in Goa state. Yes. And now Omana can see beautiful scenery. Now kids, finally we will compare the scenes of Ahmedabad and Goa, means Madgaon. Now kids, it is very difficult for Omana to describe the scene as it was very beautiful. The fields were covered with red soil and green crops, and the mountains are covered with green trees. Now where? At Madgaon, which is in Goa state. Now kids, this means that it was very beautiful at Madgaon as compared to Ahmedabad. As we have read in Ahmedabad that the fields were brown, yes, and the climate was also hot. And here the climate is very nice and there were beautiful sceneries also. Now kids, Omana is peeping out of the window as she was peeping out on 16th May at Ahmedabad. Same way she is peeping out here also. Now kids, what she saw? Now here she saw small ponds, yes, and she also guessed that there is some water or river far behind the hills. The air is also cooler here and not so dry as in Ahmedabad. Now finally kids, the train reached to level crossing. Now what is the meaning of level crossing? You will get it more kids when you will see the pic of level crossing. So kids, you can see there level crossing. Now I think you get more idea about level crossing. See kids, it's a place where train used to pass and barrier is there which barred people, buses, trucks to move from the railway track. Now kids, in this place there is a lot of noise. Why? Because people used to wait for the train to pass. And now at this place, at level crossing, there are buses full of people, car, trucks, motorcycle and many more vehicles, and even there were bullock carts, tongas which are carrying people and goods with them. Now kids, some people do not switch off their engines of the vehicles even at level crossing. See, this is a very bad thing. This will create a lot of noise and even smoke also, which will cause a lot of pollution. Now kids, as you know that Omana was peeping from the window, so she can see many people, they are crossing the level crossing under the bars. See kids, this is a very dangerous thing. It can cause death also, because see, imagine if you are crossing the railway track and train is coming. So you can't cross the railway track at this situation and it can cause death also. Now at some times there are two trains at the same time. Yes, that Omana and Unni, they are peeping out of the window, and many a times they have seen two trains crossing at the same time. Now what they are playing at that time? They are playing one game. See, they are counting the boxes of the train, of the other train, means which is passing at the same time with their train, but they are not able to count it. Now why? Because you know kids, the train runs at a very high speed, so they are not able to count the boxes of the other train which is moving at the same speed with Omana's train. Kids, after watching all these things, means peeping out of the train, seeing level crossing, the time is now 8:30 a.m. And as I've told you that when she woke up in the morning, that time the date was 17th May and the time was 7:30 a.m. and at that time she was passing the state Goa. So now it's 8:30 a.m. and she is still crossing the state Goa. Now at 8:30 a.m. she was sitting beside the window by her eyes closed like this. She was sitting quietly besides the window. Now finally the sound changed. Now what it is like khud khud khud. Now finally she opened her eyes and guess what she saw? Her train was crossing a very big river and over a very big bridge. Yes, now kids we will learn about bridge. See kids, bridge you have learned many a times. See, bridge can be over any road, can be over river. Bridges are made so that you can easily pass the terrain. Now terrain can be any river, any road, any mountain. Okay. So bridges are made over rivers, over mountains, over roads so that you can easily pass. Now Umana was guessing the sound as it was khod khod khod, some different sound. So she was thinking that this sound is quite different from the sound which was coming in the railway track. Why? Because the train was passing from a bridge. Now kids, why the sound was different? The sound was different because there was no ground. Yes, there was only track. Firstly, when Umana looked down, she felt giddy. Giddy means Chakkarana. Yes, the word for Chakkarana is giddy. Now previously when she saw the bridge, she felt giddy. Giddy means Chakkarana. And she also felt scary. Scary means Darna. Yes, when she looked down from the train and when the train was above the bridge, when the train was passing the bridge, at that time Umana felt giddy and scary. Giddy means Chakkarana and scary means Darna. Firstly, she felt giddy and scary. But when she looked more down, she found the water. Yes, the water means the river down the bridge, and she also found some boats. She also found some fishermen. Yes, the fishermen on the river, and she also waved her hand by looking them. Now besides Umana's bridge, there was one more bridge. Yes kids, there were two bridges. The first bridge was of Umana. Umana means from where Umana's train was passing. And the second bridge is for buses and cars and it was made differently. Now Umana thought that moving from a bridge is more adventurous than on ground. I think kids, going over a bridge is more adventurous. Now kids, think about it that why in between the journey bridges are there. See, this time so we have studied only one bridge. Now after this, in my second part, I will talk about more bridges and tunnels also. Tunnel means surang. Yes, I will talk about bridges and tunnel also. Now kids, think about it that why there are so many bridges and tunnels in the journey from Goa to Kerala. From Goa to Kerala, kids, why there are so many bridges? See, first of all, when we were in Gujarat, we have not read about any bridge. Now, why we are reading about bridges and tunnels in the journey from Goa to Kerala? Yes, why we are learning kids? Because Goa is in the coast of India. Yes, as you can see in the map kids, see Goa is in the extreme left hand side. If you will stand like this, it is an extreme left hand side. And if you will stand like this, then it is in right hand side. Now you can see kids that Goa is in the coastline. Coastline means just kinare pe, India ke kinare pe hai Goa. Kids, there are lots of rivers, mountains and hills. And to pass these rivers, mountains and hills, so many bridges and tunnels are made so that humans and their vehicles can pass easily and their traveling can become easier. So finally kids, we have ended up our today's video, which is based on chapter 7 from the window, and it is the belonging of the previous chapter only, Umana's journey. Now kids, we will continue Umana's journey in our next video, that will be part 2 of chapter 7 only. So kids, just be with me, and now we will move to activity corner.
Page number 54. What was the difference in the scene that Umana saw from the train on the first day and on the second day? On the first day, Umana saw the fields were dry and brown. But on the second day, she saw fields with red soil and hills covered with trees. Page 55. Umana saw many kinds of vehicles at the level crossing. Which of them run on diesel or petrol? Buses, trucks and a few cars run on diesel, while scooters, cars, motorcycles, etc. run on petrol. You can see kids, the big vehicles are running on diesel and the small ones are running on petrol. Second question. Why was there so much smoke and noise from the vehicles at the level crossing? Because some people did not switch off the engines of their vehicles even while waiting at the railway crossing. Now next, what can we do to reduce noise of the vehicle and save petrol and diesel? Discuss. Now first, switch off the engines of vehicles at signals. Signal means while waiting at signals. Second, doing regular checkups and servicing. Page number 56. Now kids, this is a self activity. The answers which I have given are only for reference and suggestion. So please kids, write your own answers according to your observation. Have you seen any bridge? Where? Now here I have written yes. If you have not seen any bridge, write no. Now yes, I have seen many bridges while going to Delhi by train. Next, have you ever crossed a bridge? Where? Yes, I have crossed many bridges like the one over the river Ganga at Allahabad. Next, what was the bridge built over? The bridge was built over the river Ganga. What did you see below the bridge? I saw water and some boats below the bridge. Find out why bridges are made. Bridges are made to make the travelling across different terrains easier.